Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today meron tayong unboxing video sponsored by Discovery Optics. So last week kinontak ako ng representative ng Discovery Optics and they asked me kung gusto ko daw i-try or i-test yung rifle scope nila. So syempre sinabi ko yes. I've been seeing Discovery Optics sa Pilipinas mostly, lalo na sa mga air gunners. Okay, so I am really curious. So tara, buksan natin. And later on, if you're interested, and maglalagay ako ng link sa Lazada with my coupon code. So tara, buksan natin. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay. I don't need this anymore. So what's inside the box? Okay, let's check it out. Lens cleaner. What is this? Okay. Model 110121P2. Quality control, checking inspection. Nice to know that they check it before they ship it. Okay. Logo. And instructions. Glossy, illustrated, English, and yeah, English. Yeah. Nice illustrations. Huh. Parallax adjustment, objective lens, elevation adjustment turret, windage adjustment turret, eyepiece, power ring. Okay, adjustment. And this is the scope. Let's check it out. Wow. Wow. It has a good weight to it. Wow. Scope. I think these are the rings, if I'm not mistaken. Scope rings, yes. So it's basically complete. Sunshades. Okay. And they are metal. Maybe aluminum. Okay. So you don't produce any glare. And yeah, this right here. That's it. Okay guys, ito yung honest initial review ko dito sa Discovery Optics na pinadala nila sa akin. No? Ito yung model number niya. Ito yung power. 1/6/24. Okay. Um, 1/6/24. Okay? So, initially, actually, dumating to a few days ago. Hindi ko pa nasikaso. Kasi, nung nandito siya sa box na to, sabi ko, ang liit naman. Maliit para sa akin. Maliit. Sabi ko, ano yan, feeling ko, ordinary optics lang, no? And then, when I opened it up, wow, sabi ko yung design. It's not the usual optics na nabibili ko sa Amazon or sa eBay. Okay? Yung design, yung weight, mabigat siya. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya, you don't feel that it's cheap. Mabigat siya. Andun yung quality, no? Tapos, yung design niya nga, dito sa eyepiece area, mas malaki compared dito. And then, nilagay ko yung sunshade, kahit screen yan, hindi mo yan manonotice. Pero, syempre, hindi ka nila makikita. Ibig sabihin, wala kang glare. What else? Nilagay ko yung sunshade. Alam ko, bawal kasi magpakita sa YouTube ng mga nag-i-install eh. Alam nyo, ganyan ka-retarded si YouTube eh. Okay, so ayan, pag nilagay mo yung extended na sunshade, ayan. Ganda, ganda. And then, what else? Nagtataka ako, para saan to, no? Sabi ko, para saan to? What is this for? And then, pwede mo siyang hatiin sa dalawa. May dalawa ka na. Hindi, ito siguro, first time ko maka-encounter ng ganito, no? Throw lever daw siguro to. Dito siya nilalagay, oh. Dito siya sa butas yan, yung butas na yan. So, siyempre, hindi pwede ipakita kay YouTube. Basta, iikot mo lang dyan yung ano. So, meron kang kakapitan. Parang yan ang purpose niyan. See? For the adjustment. Pwede ka mag-adjust left and right using that. Galing. Ang galing. Galing. They thought of everything. Either gusto mong ganyan kaikli o gusto mong mas mahaba. Diba? Ayan, hindi na naman natin papakita. Siyempre, look, gusto mo mas mahaba. Galing. Or gawin mo lang backup yung isa ba, just in case mawala. Tapos yung glass niya mismo. Yung glass niya, ito yung ano niya, end caps. Okay, may kasama siyang end caps. May logo nila. Dalawa. Front and rear end caps, scope caps. Napakalinaw ng glass na ginamit nila. So, ayan, nakita nyo. Hindi lang ma-pick up ng camera because of the light. So, later on, although unboxing lang to, na-excite talaga ako yung quality ng lens na ginamit nila. Hindi, I'll just leave it on. Tanggalin ko na nga. Yung lens na ginamit nila. So, mamaya siguro, meron tayong mga, shot nung magnification. Ayan. Napakalinaw. Para lang makita nyo. And then, may side adjustment siya. Dito nilalagay yung battery CR2032. And, yun lang yung con, no? It is not included in the scope. Pero it's better that you buy your own batteries. Kasi minsan, sa travel, sa storage, napapaso yung battery. So, ito. So, it means illuminated ang reticle nito kahit hindi ko pa natitesting. Because mayroong battery, no? And then, may side adjustment siya. So, syempre, separate video na yung pag-testing natin to, no? Pero ito, may side adjustment siya. O sa yung mo. If I have to assume, illumination yan. Windage, elevation, illumination. Probably. Yeah, intensity of the illumination. Yan. Nakakabilib kasi Ganda ng quality. Mabigat siya. No? Mabigat. Alam niyo yung feeling na pag sobrang gaan, kala mo mumarahin. Ito, I think this is feature packed. Feature packed. Aluminum construction. Solidly built. Pati yung adjustment mo sa turrets, protected siya. So, you don't unintentionally bump your turrets. So, yan yung adjustment mo, and then to protect it, once you zeroed it, yan, talagang tight. Nice. Okay guys, so kung interested kayo, maglalagay ako sa description down below ng link nito sa Lazada, which will give you an additional 5% off. Yan na, 5% off courtesy of Discovery Optics. Binigay niya sa akin, sabi niya for my viewers daw. Kita niyo yung lens na ginamit, oh. Ibang-iba guys, yan, oh. Patayin natin kasi nag-ano yung ilaw eh. So maganda testing ito sa labas. Pero unboxing video lang tayo and initial impression. Okay. Solid scope, feature pack in a small package. So minaliit ko yung package, sabi ko okay, baka ano lang siya, ordinary scope. This is not your ordinary scope. Ganda. Maganda. So kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video to guys, no, please click like and subscribe. And consider supporting me and the sponsors na nag-sponsor ng mga videos ko. Especially itong Discovery Optics with coupon code less 5% off. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream